Hi viewers, in this video we are going to discuss the cost of goods sold. We are starting from the cost of goods sold for a retail company or a trading company. Let us first discuss what's a trading business. A business in which we buy the items and we sell the items without any kind of modification. Like we bought the items and we are selling without any kind of alteration. So this kind of business we consider as retail business or a trading company. The best example we can have the supermarket say they are buying the items and selling as it is without any kind of modification. So how we calculate the cost of goods sold in trading business or retail business we are going to discuss in this video. But before going to discuss the cost of goods sold for a trading company, let us discuss the cost of purchases because it's very important to understand what are the items you need to include in the cost of purchase. See, students, you incurred some cost to bring the items till your warehouse. So, whatever the cost you incurred to bring the items till your warehouse, say you paid to the supplier, you paid any kind of freight, you paid any kind of custom duty, the total cost which you incurred to bring the items till warehouse, we will consider as the cost of purchase. This is the reason here in the formula we will see that any kind of cost related to the purchases we will add in purchases. Students, here the formula in front of you, it's in statement form, beginning inventory plus purchases plus freight in. So this is the direct cost related to the purchase. I'm adding to the purchase. The time we add these two things, we get goods available for sale. From goods available for sale, we subtract ending inventory and we get the cost of goods sold. So this is the formula we are going to use to calculate the cost of goods sold. We can also write it in equation form. We will solve the question now, and there you can find the same thing in equation form. Like students, if you write the same thing in equation form, how you will write? Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock equal to cost of goods sold. So for better understanding purpose, let us solve one question. Saying retail entity maintains a markup of 25% based on cost. The entity has the following information for the current year. Purchase of merchandise $690,000, freight in on purchases $25,000. The time you read this information, immediately it came in your mind. This is the direct cost related to the purchases. So when you will make the calculation for cost of sales, you will add this freight in the purchase amount. Sales we have, ending inventory have, we have to find out beginning inventory. So definitely students, we are going to use this equation. In this equation, we have to find out the opening stock, purchases we already have, ending inventory we also have, but we don't have the cost of sales. If we find the cost of sales from the given information, we will put the cost of sales here. And like that, we can easily calculate the opening stock value. Students, in order to calculate the cost of sales, you can use this equation. Say sale equal to cost plus profit. Students, here sales value we already have 900,000 and cost as you have to calculate, assume the value of cost we are assuming X and profit is 25% of cost. So we will take 25% of X, 900,000 1 here we have 1 plus 0.25x, it become 1.25x. So x is equal to 900,000 dividing by 1.25. So like that you will get the value of cost of goods sold equal to 720,000. So now students, you have all the values, just need to fill in the equation to have the value of opening stock. Like what will happen? Purchases we have 690,000. Direct cost you will add here, which is 25,000. Closing stock you are subtracting in this equation, which is 80,000. And cost of goods sold, other side you have 720,000. Students, you notice that this is one variable equation. Now all these values will go another side, like here I can show you the calculation. 720 we already have on another side. 690 will shift to another side, changing the sign. Positive becoming negative 690,000. Then minus 25,000. This minus become positive on another side, 80,000. The time you will just add all of these values, we will have the answer equal to 85,000. So this is the value of opening stock. Correct? So like that, we actually calculate the cost of goods sold for a trading company. We'll upload some more videos related to the practice questions for cost of goods sold. Thank you very much.